These 3 app ideas that I'm about to share in this video can literally change your life, and each one of these ideas has the potential to make you millions of dollars in 2025. Stay tuned until the end of this video because the last idea is the best of them all, even though every one of these is worth starting today. So let's start with idea number 1. Innovation happens when we turn our problems into solutions, and that's exactly what this app idea is designed to do. Let me give you an example. While I was setting up my YouTube channel, I struggled to make my bio sound professional, so I decided to ask ChatGPT for help. I wrote my bio and asked ChatGPT to enhance it by optimizing for keywords and improving the overall flow, and the results were incredibly impressive. It sounded much better. But here's the problem. ChatGPT's subscription plan is expensive, and the free version just doesn't deliver the same quality. So then I thought, why not take this concept and turn it into an app that offers the same functionality for a fraction of the cost? And the app idea is basically just a ChatGPT wrapper where you can upload an image or write text yourself and ask it to convert the text to match a given context. You can also include determined templates like write a professional email, write an SMS text message, and more. All you need to do is write your message and let the app optimize the text. And the next app idea I'm about to share with you is probably the most in demand right now. I actually covered a similar app in one of my previous videos. In that video, I talked about a 17-year-old who created an app called CalAI. And in short, the app tracks the calories in your food just by analyzing a photo of it. And that simple yet brilliant app is now making millions of dollars per month. So now, this app idea is a bit different. Instead of tracking calories, it helps you determine if the food fits your diet. And here's how it works. You can either type in the name of the food or snap a picture of it, and the app will analyze it for you. Based on your diet, whether it's keto diet, vegan, gluten-free, lactose-free, or anything else, it will tell you if the food is okay to eat. And the best part is that there's still plenty of scope in this niche, and it's very easy to find success with an app like this. Now, the third app idea is extremely simple. If you're unsure about a sentence or a grammar rule in a language, just ask the app something like, "Is this the correct way to say this?" And it instantly gives you a clear and accurate answer for the specific language you're trying to learn. And to be completely honest, this is something I use daily at my software engineering job. Even I use it for Norwegian, which is my first language. Because before I send any mail, I always go through ChatGPT to make sure the message sounds professional. And unlike Duolingo, which focuses on gamified lessons, this app idea is specifically designed for real-world language use. So you learn by jumping into it, which is the best way of learning. And how do I even start building these apps without knowing anything about app development or coding? Just join my free Discord community through the link in description, and I'll help you get started.